Good evening, students. Quick sound check. Can you guys hear me? Hello, Ishan. Alright, so today's topic is mapping. It's uh, it's one of the most important topics for any aptitude test entrance examination in the logical reasoning part, and very high chances you can expect a question from this type. Today, I would be discussing easy to medium level questions from this particular topic, and day after tomorrow, I would be discussing moderate, in fact, difficult level questions day after tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the first set. Here goes. Here goes the first set. So all of you who are watching this online, attempt this question. I think this question could be done in 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Try karo. Those who get the answer can type in the answer in the chat box. Please mention the question number also. When you give the answer choice type, write question number also. Type in your answers जिनका आंसर आ जाए. जिसका आंसर आ जाए, type in your answers. Okay, so Sarthak has given the answer. Okay, so let us solve this. So mapping questions, in fact all logical questions are all about organizing information. Sarthak, your answers are correct. So look at this. A, who is good in physics, history and dramatics. Sorry, this is not what was given to us. One second. B and E are good in dramatics and computer science. B and E are good in dramatics and computer science. Okay. A and B are good in computer science. So A is good in computer science. B is also good in computer science. A is good in physics and your B is also good in physics. Then it says A good in physics and history. A good in physics and history. D good in physics and history. D is good in physics and history. And C is also good in physics and history. C is also good in physics and history. Okay. C good in physics and maths. This one. C is good in physics and maths. A is also good in physics and maths. Physics and maths. And last, D is good in history and dramatics. D is good in history and dramatics. E is also good in history and dramatics. E is also good in history and dramatics. So this is what our complete table will look like, essay. And now we can answer the questions, right? So who is good in physics, history and dramatics? Physics, history and dramatics, all three of them is this guy. Dramatics, physics and history. So option number C, the answer is D. Second, who is good in physics, history and maths? So physics, history and maths should be tick. Physics, history and maths, but not in computer science. So A and C are good in physics, history and maths, but A is not good in computer science and but not in good in computer science. C is not good in computer science. So therefore the answer is C. Second answer, the answer is C. Question number third. Question number third. Who is good in computer science, history and dramatics? Computer science, history and dramatics. So let's look at dramatics, computer science, history, computer science and dramatics, that is E. So third, the option is D. Fourth, who is good in history, physics, computer science and mathematics? This is A. So fourth, the answer is A. And finally, uh, who is good in physics, dramatics and computer science? Physics, dramatics and computer science, these three. These three is option B. Person is also B. So simple set, but you get a lot of questions like this guys in CLAT. Alright, so next question is this. This question itself came 2 times in a span of 8 years. इसको आंसर करो. I think this should not take you again 3 to maximum 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. जिसका आंसर आ जाए चैट बॉक्स में आंसर डाल देना. These are the other questions. Sarthak, quickly make a note of the questions. This was question number 6. Those who have answered question number 6, have a look at question number 7. This is question number 8. Those who answered question number 7. This is question number 8. This would be question number 9. This is question number 10. Okay. So let's solve. And 10th you are saying C. Okay. Yes, Manya 7th is C, correct. Sarthak 8th is A, correct. Manya 9th is B, correct. Shubhi 9th is B, correct. 10th is C, correct. Yeah. So this one is also an easy set. This question has come twice in the paper in 8 years. Look at the level of the questions. So it says we travel to 5 different cities of Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad by different modes of transport. Okay, the person who traveled to D did not travel by boat. Now this is indirect clue. Did not travel by boat. So always use the direct clues first. Clue number 3 is a direct clue. R traveled to Bangalore. R went to Bangalore by car. R went to Bangalore by car and Q went to Kolkata by aeroplane. By aeroplane. Okay. S traveled by boat. So S by boat, where did he go? We don't know. Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. So basically Delhi, let's say Delhi and Chennai. How do you use this? Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. Hi Raghav. The person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. So this is not Delhi. Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. So let's say bus, if this is bus, it can't be Delhi, it can't be Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore is gone. So Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore is gone. So bus has to be Bus has to be, which one is left for bus? Hyderabad. Hyderabad. And then finally S travel by boat. S travel by boat while T travel by train. So train is T. And then how do you use? The person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. So this is boat. So this can't be D. Right? So this has to be D. So finally आपका सारा solve हो जाएगा like this. So R Bangalore Calcutta this was given. Q Kolkata aeroplane this was given. Right? Your Hyderabad has to be bus and that was your P, and then T Delhi train and S Chennai boat. So it's easier to make a table like this, simpler table like this. ऐसा table बना दोगे one by one तो वो ज़्यादा simple हो जाएगा. Let's do it one more time. So first use direct clue, which is R Bangalore and by car. R Bangalore by car. So we have used this direct clue, and Q went to Kolkata by aeroplane. So this is used. S travel by boat. So S is by boat, whereas T traveled by train. S traveled by boat while T traveled by train. So only one person is remaining, which is P. P. Yeah. So P. So car gone, air gone, boat gone, train gone. So this has to be your bus, right? The person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. Delhi is not boat, so Delhi could be this or this. But then it says Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi. So even this can't be Delhi, right? Because वो bus से connected नहीं है. So this would be Delhi. This, because Delhi is not connected to Mumbai by bus, so there were two options for Delhi. So Delhi comes here. This would be Chennai, and this would be Hyderabad. Yeah, because Mumbai is not connected by bus to Chennai also. So Chennai also you can't go by bus, so it has to be Hyderabad. So this is how the final table will look like, and now we can answer the questions. Which of the following combination of persons and mode is not correct? P bus is correct, so we can't mark this as the answer. T is not aeroplane, T is train. So this is not correct, and therefore E is the answer. Question number 7. Which of the following combination is true for S? Which combination is true for S? S Chennai boat. So which is C. 7th, the answer is C. Question number 8. Which of the following combinations of place and mode is not correct? Delhi is bus given, but Delhi is train. So this is not correct. So 8th, the answer is A. Number 9th. The person traveling to Delhi went by which of the following modes? Delhi is train. So answer is B. 9th, the answer is B. Question number 10th. Who among the following traveled to Delhi? T. So answer is T. So the first two sets that we did were not even moderate level. They were easy. They were easy level, right? Okay, attempt this question now. 11 to 15. Quickly read the set, then I'll show you all the questions that follow. I've told you, make it a point that whenever you attempt a logical reasoning set, always read the questions that follow. So quickly read the paragraph. I'll show you the other questions. I'll show you all the questions in this set. Hi Raghav, I just saw your message. These are the 5 questions. Quickly read the 5 questions. From this you will get an indication whether the set is completely solvable or not. इससे समझ में आ जाता है कि set solve होगा कि नहीं होगा. All right now. So this is the question. Give it a shot. Once you get the answer, type in the answer in the chat box. Those who've done 11, try number 12. Yeah, Mania, here goes question number 11 for you. Okay. Now back to question number 12. Question number 13. What will be the answer for question number 13? And Question number 14th. And question number 15th. Give me the answer for question number 15. So the correct answers are 11th A, 12th D, 13th E, 14th C, and 15th D. Okay, let's solve it together. D, optional, and let's say compulsory. Right? So D's optional subject were history, while three others have it as compulsory subject. So we don't know D's compulsory subject. ENFF physics as one of the subjects. So I won't use it because I don't know which one is compulsory, whether it's compulsory or optional. But it says F's compulsory subject, it's maths. So if F, one of the compulsory subject is maths, the optional would be physics, right? Which is an optional subject of both C and E. So C and E have optional subject maths and maths. We knew E and F have physics as one of the subjects. So if E has maths as optional, physics would be compulsory. Okay. History and English are A's subject, but in terms of compulsory and optional, they are reverse of those of D's. So basically, it means A and D have two common subjects. The subjects are common, but compulsory and optional are reverse. So history was optional for D, so which means it will be compulsory for A, and A subject history and English. So English would be optional for A, but it will be compulsory for D. Now last part is B. We knew that chemistry is an optional subject of only one of them. So only one of them is D. So this would be chemistry. This would be chemistry. And the final information was D's optional subject was history, while three others have it as compulsory subject. So right now history is only one. So this would be history, and this again would be history. It says the only female teacher in the school has English as her compulsory subject. The only female teacher in the school has English as her compulsory subject. So who has English? D. So D would be a female. D would be a female. So this is how the complete table will look like, and now we can answer the questions that follow. What is C's compulsory subject? C's compulsory subject is history. So 11th, the answer is A. 12th, who is a female member in the group? D is the female member in the group. So 12th, the answer is D. Then question number 13th, which of the following has same compulsory and optional subject as those of F? Same compulsory and optional subject as that of F. Physics and maths. Does anyone have physics and maths as optional and compulsory? No. So none of these. So 13th, the answer is E. 14th, disregarding which is compulsory and which is optional subjects, who has the same two subject combination as F. F has physics and maths. इसका maths and physics है E का. So E is the person who has the same subjects as F. So therefore the answer is C. And the final question is, which of the following groups has history as the compulsory subject? So history is C, A, B or A, B, C. So 15th, the answer was D. Alright. Another set. इसको करो again. Maximum 3 to 5 minutes. Maximum 3 to 5 minutes for this set. As the heading said, easy. Today we are doing easy questions. जिसका आंसर आ जाए, give me the answer. These are all the questions here. 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. So from this you will get an idea whether the question is completely solvable or not. ठीक है, solve करो. Once you get the answer, type in the answer in the chat box. Okay, Sarthak has given the answer of one question. The moment I get an answer, I move to the different question because the basic everything else remains the same. So you can still try to solve the question. Rohtak, give me the answer for question number 17. Those who are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like the class, please click on the like button. It helps us as a brand, and we are trying to build a community. It would definitely help us. Sarthak has given me the answer for 17th also. So I am moving to the next question. Guys, all of these questions I'll put it in the exercise form in our portal. So all of these questions will be available in our portal, and our Telegram channel's link is in the description. So if you have if you're not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our Telegram channel also, because we notify about our classes there on the Telegram channel. So you will not miss out on any class. Question number 19th. Today I won't have any chocolate question. Chocolate question will be, there will be lots of chocolate questions the day after tomorrow. Manya and Shubhi have given me answer for 19th, so I am moving to question number 20th. This is question number 20. And Sarthak has given me the answer for question number 20th. Okay, so let me give you the answer for 16th to 20th. 16th, the answer is C. 17th, the answer is D. 18th, the answer is C. 19th, the answer is A. And 20th, the answer is B. Right, so these are the answers. Now let's try to solve this question together. Now see, Q, T, P, R are married couples. So they would be here. One married couple, another married couple. Okay. The other two, I don't know the gender. So I know one of the married couples will be this one. There is another married couple that will come here, and then the remaining two, I don't know the gender of these two. It says T, a teacher with blue dress, married a male lawyer, right? So so right now guys, this I knew after solving. While solving, I did not know this, right? While solving, I did not know the gender, right? So I will try to use the couple first. So it says T, a teacher, and then it says with blue dress. So your dress is blue. Married a male. So T would be a female. Married a male, and this guy is a lawyer. Okay. With brown dress, and the dress was brown. Okay, so this much we have figured out. Color of the dresses of both the husbands and both the wives is the same. So blue, so here also it will be blue, and brown. So this much also we have figured out. So we have used this clue, we have used this clue. Two persons have blue dress, two have brown dress, and the remaining one each has black and green. Okay, so remaining one will have a black and green. Okay, P is a male engineer. Is P a married person? Yes, P is a married person, is a male engineer. So because this male is a lawyer, P cannot come here, P will come here. I hope this part is clear. If you have any problem, guys, type in problem in the chat box with the question number. Right? P is a male, P is one of the married person. So P could have come here or come here, but it says P is a engineer, is an engineer. So P can't come here, P will come here. Okay. P is a male engineer whose sister S is also an engineer. Now S was not one of the married people. So S will come here, is also a sister, is also an engineer. Okay. So this last person has to be a male, and who is the last person? QTPR, QTPR, so U. This person has to be U. Okay. Now this is also what we have used. The other clue is Q is a doctor. Now Q could have come here or here because Q is one of the married person. But for Q to come here, Q had to be a lawyer. But it is given that Q is a doctor. So which means Q cannot come in this box. Q has to come in this box. So Q will come here. Q is a doctor and will be a female. P is a male. This is a female. U is a male. Okay. The other person between the married person remaining is T. Q, T, P, R. R was remaining. So R will be this person. So, and the other clue says there are two engineers, two lawyer, one teacher and one doctor. So two engineers done, one teacher, one doctor done, so lawyer. So this has to be a lawyer. So this much part is solved. The last we don't know the color. So this could be black slash green. This could be black slash green. So this part is not solvable, but the other parts are completely solvable. So now let's look at the answers. Which of the following is a group of female members? So T, Q and S. So QST. So answer is C. Answer here is C. Question number 17. Who is the wife of P? Wife of P is Q. So answer is D. Question number 18th. What is the color of U's dress? U is a lawyer, black or green. So answer is C. Not data inadequate, but C, because it is either black or green. If we were not given this choice, then the answer would have been data inadequate. But right now we were given the choice, so therefore the answer would be black or green. Question number 19th. Which of the following is a pair of married ladies? Which of the following is a pair of married ladies? It's T and Q. So the answer is A. Finally, what is the profession of R? R is a lawyer. So the answer is B. R is a lawyer. The answer is B. Okay. 21 to 25. This previous question also was an easy question. Now 21 to 25. Time 5 to 8 minutes, guys, for this question. Again, today's sets that we are doing are easy to moderate level questions. These are the total questions. These are all the 5 questions that are a part of this set. ठीक है, करो. Day after tomorrow will be difficult level questions from the same topic. Focus on how would you organize the information. How do you organize the information? सार्थक, मान्या, विद्या, सार्थक, मान्या, वृंदा, शुभी, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आया अभी आपसे. Two more minutes. Guys, do we start discussing the set? You need some more time. Do we need more time? Okay, Vrinda has given me the answer for 21st. Okay, Vrinda, if 21st is C, give me the answer for 22nd now. बाकी लोग ट्राई करते रहो. वरिंदा ने 20 सेकंड का आंसर ए दिया है. सार्थक, शुभी, मानिया, कीप ऑन ट्राइंग. गिव मी द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 नाउ. Okay, give me the answer for number 24 now. ईशान, आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो आप? Twenty-fourth, what is the answer? Vrinda, only you've been answering, so let's see 24th. What did you mark? And finally 25th. The answers are 21st, it is C, 22nd, it is A, 23rd, it is A, 24th, it is C, and 25th, it is B. Yes, should be correct. 25th is B. Alright. Guys, in such questions, always understand the allocation first. So there are 7 friends and the classes are 5, 6 and 7. So basically these 7 people have to be distributed to these 3 people. So the ratio is not 1:1. Now it says not less than 2 friends study in same standard. So let's say when we have 5, 6 and 7, you will have minimum 2, 2 and 2 in each of these 3 classes. So 6 people will go like this and 1 person would be remaining which will go in one of these classes. So the basic allocation would be 2, 2 and 3. So in one class there would be 2 people, in one more class there will be 2 people, and in one of the 3 classes there would be 3 people. So this is the broad allocation, right? Now look at this one. It says, now let me go information by information. I'll always start with direct clue. Always look for, so here I figured out the allocation has to be 2, 2 and 3. So that much I figured out, the allocation has to be 2, 2, 3. So how do I plot this information now? A likes maths and studies in 5th standard. So A likes maths and study in 5th standard. It says with only one friend who likes Marathi. So now I know in class 5 there are only 2 people. So nobody else could be in class 5. So class 5 has 2. Now it says I studies with 2 other friends. So whichever class I studies in, that cannot be class 5, because class 5 had only 2 people and I studies with 2 other friends. So in whichever class I studies, total of 3 people study in that class. So I cannot be in 5. Okay. So but is I in class 6 or class 7? That I don't know as of now. In case you guys have any problem, just type in problem in the chat box. Yeah. Now, both the friends who study with I like language, and language means Hindi, Marathi or English, right? So basically the one who studies with I cannot like Marathi also, because Marathi is already taken by someone who studies in class 5. So the two people who study with I would like Hindi and English. The other two people who will study with I will have to like Hindi and English, because I know I does not study in class 5 and one of the student who studies in class 5 likes Marathi. So the other two people who study with I would like Hindi and English. इतना मेरे को समझ में आ गया है, but I don't know whether I is in class 6 or class 7. Now it says D studies in 6th with only one. Now this helps me. So D studies in 6th with only one. So that means in class 5 and class 6, two people study, and class 7 is the class in which 3 people study. So I will have to be in class 7, and the other 2 people in class 7 will have to like Hindi and English. So this much we have figured out by now. So who all are gone? A I have figured out, D I have figured out, and I have figured out. Now see this one. E studies with only one friend. So E studies with only one friend. So either E could come here, because this is only 2 people gang, or E could come here. But it says E does not like language. As I have said in one of my earlier classes, whenever an information is given about one variable and that is mixed, for instance, one information about E is given here, another information about E is given here. So you read them together. You read them in one go. So now I know E studies with only one friend. So that could have been here or here. But this information says E does not like language. Language has been defined as Hindi, English or Marathi. So E cannot come here, because if I were to put E here, that would be Marathi. So that means E can't come here. E will have to come here. I hope this part is clear. So if you don't get any part, just type in problem in the chat box. So now I've got E also. So E also. Now look at this. C does not like English, Hindi or civics. This part is not important. What I figured out, C does not like English or Hindi. So C cannot come here. C cannot come here, nor C can come here. So only one place is remaining for C, which is D. C will have to come here. C will come here. Okay. So far as language is concerned, your maths is, Marathi is gone, maths is gone, Hindi, English I don't know. Okay. What about E? E does not like languages. So for E, maths as it is was gone. Yeah, maths was gone, Marathi was gone, Hindi was gone, English was gone, civics and economics is remaining. Okay. How do you solve further from here? So basically A, C, D, E, I, A, C, D, E, I, B/G will go here. B/G. So your Hindi and English is also gone, right? Now C, let's say economics, history is gone. D studies in 6th language with only one person and does not like civics. E studies with only one person. The one who likes history does not study in 5th or 6th. So one who likes history does not study in 5th or 6th. So 7th only I is remaining. So this goes for I, which is history. So history is also gone. Now it is given to us that D does not like civics, and D was left with civics and economics. So if D does not like civics, D has to like economics, and then E will have to like civics. So this is how we get the complete allocation. First we figured out that I will study with 3 people and I cannot be in 5 and cannot be in 6. So we know 2 people in 5, 2 people in 6 and 3 people in 7. Rest we use the clue of languages, right? So this is how our table will look like, and now we can answer all the questions that will follow. In case of any problem guide, you may put in a problem. So which combination represents E's favorite subject and the standard which he studies? E, civics and sixth. So number C. Question number 22. Which of the following is I's favorite subject? It is history. So answer is A. 23rd. Who amongst the following studies in the 7th standard? It is I, B and G. So G is here. So 23rd. The answer is A. 24th. Which of the following combination is definitely correct? I and Hindi is not correct. G and English is not definitely. It could be. It's not definitely, guys. C and Marathi. C and Marathi is definitely correct. So 24th, the answer is C. Now the final question. Which of the following subject does G like? G would like either Hindi or English. So which is option number B. Okay. Now the final set of the day. This one. This is the final set of the day. Guys, 8 minutes to solve this question. Final set of the day. Take 6 to 8 minutes to solve this question. Last set of the day, guys. Take 6 to 8 minutes to solve this question. These are all the questions that are there, all of the questions together. All of these questions that I am solving, guys, I'll put them in our portal in the form of tests or practice exercise. So you will get all of these questions in the form of practice exercise. Good speed, Vrinda. This is a nice speed. Okay, if you got answer for 26, Give me the answer for question number 27th. Okay, give me the answer for 28th. Answer for 29th. And finally this. Those who will watch this video later on, or let's say even those who are doing this live with me, if you don't get a question on the comment section, type in the question number, because I intend to do a doubt session also. So in the doubt session, I'll only take the questions which we were not able to, let's say, understand. Some of you were not able to understand, because I understand most of you would be watching this class later on. So if you don't understand a particular question, on the comment section, uh, mention that if you could do a session on this particular question. So I'll do a doubt session also on that. Sarthak, काफी time बाद. I thought you had left. Yeah, 29th. Yes, E is the correct answer. And 30th, B. Yes, correct. So let me give you the answers. 26th. 26th is D. 27th is C. 28th is A. 29th is E. And 30th is B. Okay, so this was the last set. Let me explain it, because you might have solved it using different manner, different way. Let me just go through how I solve it. And also day after tomorrow would be tough level questions on the same topic, right? So these were easy level questions. We'll discuss tough level questions on the same topic day after tomorrow. Okay, so guys, same thing. So we have 8 people, 3 cars and 3 family members. It says each car will have at least 2 people. So 2 to 4 to 6 So I could have a combination here. So I know I need to have minimum two people each, and then it could be 3, 3, 2 or 2, 2, 4. Both the cases, right? Both the cases the ratio could be 2, 2, 4 because I have to make 8, or it could be 3, 3, 2. Any two combinations are possible. Alright. Not an issue, Sarthak. Practice will make you perfect. That is what the whole point is. We'll do so many questions here that nothing would be a surprise for you in the paper. Okay. Now it says A belongs to family Y. A belongs to family Y. So I put a tick here. I put a cross here. A belongs to a family Y and it travels in car 3. It travels in car 3. Okay. So it is in this question the variables are gender, male, female, which car you are traveling. So now people from the same family are not traveling in the same car, right? So same family, different car. This is an important input. It's an indirect one, will help us to put a cross, and then each car would have at least one male and one female. All right. Okay. D is a wife of E. So D is a wife of E. So we get few things here. First of all, D is a female, E is a male. They are in the same family, so they can't travel in the same car. D is the wife of E and they travel in cars 1 and 2 respectively. So D travels in 1, E travels in 2. Okay. Which family do they belong to? That we don't know right now, but they are in one family. Okay. H is a son. H is a son of B, who is the wife of G. Who is the wife of G. So again, we know H ka gender is male, B is female, and G is male. So we know, we come to realize these three things, right? H is a son of B, who is a wife of G, and they belong to family Z. They belong to family Z. So Z, so B belong to Z, G belong to Z, and H belong to Z. So now I know these three people can't travel in the same car. That much I know. Okay. C is a daughter of F. C, okay, C is a daughter of F, who is a wife of A. Who's a wife of A. So C is a daughter of F. So C is a female. C is a female. F is a female and A is a male. So we need to have 4 females. So 1, 2, 3, 4 females and 4 males. Yes, that is correct. And AFC belong to the same family. C travels in car 2. So C travels in car 2. Okay, so now we have used all the direct clues. It's time to use the indirect clues. So first of all, same family cannot go in same car. Also, I know A belongs to family Y. So F and C will also belong to family Y. So F will belong to family Y and C will belong to family Y. Okay. Now see, we know the overall allocation. The overall allocation we know of the families can be 2, 2 and 4. 4 is the maximum that you can have in any one family. Now D and E, if I put D and E in Z family, in Z the total would be 5, which is not possible. So basically D and E, because they have to go together, they belong to the same family, therefore D and E cannot go to Z. By the same logic, D and E cannot go to Y because that will take the family numbers of family 5 as Y as 5. So D and E cannot go to family number Y also. D and E will have to go to family number X. Right? So this is the family side is complete. Now let's look at the car side. Ab car mein dekho, A is going in car 3. So basically F and C can't go in car 3 because same members of the same family don't go in the same cars. So I use that. So because A has gone in card number 3, F, because they belong to same family, F and C cannot go in card number 3. So this is out. C and F again can't go in the same car. C has gone in car number 2. So F can't go in car number 2. F will have to go in car number 1. Right? So A has gone in car 3. C has gone in car 2. And F has gone in car 1. I hope this part is clear. Okay, so we have used AFC. D and E are already in separate families. Now let's look at B, G, H. B we have no information, G we have no information, H we have no information. So we can't use that. But now we have to use each car had one male and one female. Look at car number 3. Till now you have only one male. So I need a female. And who are the people who are remaining? B, G and H. Out of B, G and H, who is the female? Out of B, G and H, who is the female? Card number 3 mein A has gone in card number 3. Card number 3 has one male as of now. Right? Card number 3. The card 3 has A right now, who is a male. So I need a female. I am left with B, G and H, but only B is female. So B will come in card 3, and because B has come in card 3, G and H cannot come in card 3 because same family can't go in card 3. Now the only clue that we are left with is G does not travel with F. F travels in car 1, so G will not travel with F. So G will travel in car 2. H cannot travel in car 2 now. H will travel in car 1. So this is what the complete table will look like. And now we can answer all the questions that follow. 26. Which of the following group of persons travel in car 1? Car 1 is D, F and H. So D, F and H. Choice number D. 27th. Which car has only 2 members traveling in it? Only 2 is car number 3. So 27th, the answer is C. 28th, which of the following members of families Y and Z travel in different cars? Which of the following members of Y and Z travel in different cars? So F belongs to which family? Y. Okay, so that's fine. What about G? G belongs to Z. That is fine. Are they traveling in different cars? F is traveling here and G is traveling in another car. Yes. So correct. 28 is A because F belongs to Y and F travels in car number 1. G belongs to Z and travels in car number 2. So yes, 2 people belonging to these 2 families but traveling in different cars. So therefore the answer is A. 29th. Which of the group of persons is a group of all females? B is a female, D is a female, G is not a female, A is not a female, B female, E is not a female, D, F, G, no, so none. In each group you had at least one male, so therefore the answer is E. And finally question number 30th, which of the following members of families X and Y travel in the same car? So look at 30th A. C belongs to X. C belongs to Y. Okay, that's fine. F should belong to now X, but F also belongs to Y. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So choice A is not correct. Let's look at choice B. They should belong to families X and Y. D belongs to X. Okay. And F belongs to Y. Okay, now they should travel in the same car. D is traveling in 1 and F is also traveling in 1. So yeah, this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay, so guys, with that we come to the end of the class. We are at Aptitude. We give classes for law and for business management. So for law it is CLAT, IILET, LSAT, and for business management it is IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, DU-JAT. We have brilliant results across categories. LSAT last year we had All India rank 1. This year we missed rank 1 by just 1 mark. So yeah, so we are good at what we do, and this class, the classes that we are doing right now are high intensity classes, which means in short frame of time we'll do lots of questions. And if you do these classes with us, in the respective section you won't find any surprise. The same questions are in the form of portal also. We'll upload the questions in the form of questions in some time, so you can get access to those questions. Our students who are with us will get the access directly. Those who are viewing our sessions who are not our students, get in touch with us at the email ID here and the contact number here, and we will give you access to the questions and other content that we have. So with that, we end today's session. I hope you liked it. So day after tomorrow, on the same topic, I would be discussing tough questions. So see you there, guys. Till then, bye bye. Okay, Ishan had a question. Ishan sir, how do we identify which type of tables to arrange the information in? Okay, Ishan has a question. How do we know which kind of information do we arrange in? Ishan, it's a good question. That will come with practice. But for me, whenever it is more than two variables, I make a table like this: 1, 2, 3, one below the other. One below the other. So I make a table one below the other. So if they say 3 people watch 3 movies and 3 different times, so I have to map movie and time to person. So this is a 2 variable table. So for this question, I'll make a table like this: 3 people A, B, C, movie 1, movie 2 and movie 3, and then show timing 1, 2 and 3. Right? This would be it. But if there was one more variable, Ishan, that let's say 3 people, 3 movies, 3 different show timings, and then let's say they came in 3 different mode of conveyance. So bike, car and jeep. So now I have to map 3 things to the 3 people: show timings, movie and conveyance. So in this case, I'll make a different kind of table. In this case, I will make a table like this. One below the other. And also, Ishan, practice. So let's say this question, I made a table like this. Ishan, I made a table like this. You now try this question to solve like this: people, car and family. Try to solve this table, the question using this table. Check for yourself. It's quite possible that you find it this way easier. So let's say A belongs to Y and it travels in car 3. So now all of you can practice to solve this question in this way. So all of the questions, Ishal, make both the kind of tables. You will start seeing for yourself that what works well for you. Yeah. So I hope I answered your question. With that, I end my session today, guys. See you again. See you day after tomorrow with the tough set. Bye bye.